to enable voice typing in WhatsApp. So at the bottom right hand corner, for it to work, you're going to need to see a Microsoft icon there when you are in your WhatsApp chat, whether it's a private chat or a group chat. So what you're going to want to do to be able to have that in the bottom right hand corner is, first of all, go to your iPhone settings. Here you'll want to scroll down to General, click on General, then you want to scroll down until you see Keyboard. In the keyboard section, when you click there, you're going to want to look for dictation. So you need to have enable dictation turned on. So click on that, click enable dictation, make sure that's turned green. And then when you go back into the chat there, you should see the microphone in the bottom right hand corner. That's the one you're going to want to click. Once you click on that, you press hold it, you talk. Then you will see the text pop up that what you're saying. Then when you want to stop it, just go ahead and unpress that, and then you can see it works there as so. So leave a like on the video if that helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.